Did you know that grapes explode when you put them in the microwave? Grapes can spark and even explode in the microwave due to a phenomenon called plasma formation. When you microwave a grape, the fruit's small size and specific structure cause it to concentrate electromagnetic waves. If the grape is cut almost in half or left as a whole, the energy builds up at the contact points, creating plasma, a state of matter where gas is energized so much that it emits light. This energy buildup leads to intense heat, which can create bright sparks and even cause the grape to explode. It's a cool science phenomenon, but it's best to avoid trying this at home as it can damage your microwave. Follow for more.